and welcome back to my channel. So fall is here and I am so excited. Where I live though, it is still hot outside, like literally 100-degree weather. It doesn't really feel like fall, so to help me get into the fall mood, I'm going to just decorate my room into fall colors. I'm going to share a little bit of the outfits that I love to wear for fall, and I'm going to make a nice little healthy treat. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is decorate my bedroom, and let me show y'all. But here's my fall bucket. I have like a whole bunch of fall colors, fall leaves, some candles in there, some picture frames that look fallish, and then I have this really cute fall cup, and I'm really excited to use it because I forgot that I had this, and then I found it the other day and I was like, oh my goodness, I actually have a fall cup. I don't have many decorations because I don't really have a lot of space in my room to decorate anyway, so less is best. I'm thinking about decorating just up here, just kind of taking away the green and kind of like putting the stuff there for decoration. I also have this fall blanket, which I'm going to put on here just to kind of help add a little bit more of the fall vibes to it. So yeah, let's get started. Another thing that I like to do, I like to go on my laptop and I like to switch the background to just like a fall kind of background, put me in like a fall-ish mood anytime that I get on my laptop, so I'm going to do that. So as of right now, I just have a pink background, so I am just going to go to Safari, look up fall pictures. These are just like so pretty. I find that whenever I have just like a fall picture, it just like puts me in more of a fall mood. This one's really pretty. Oh yeah, that one's really nice. Okay, set as desktop picture. See how that looks. Oh yeah, I love that. So now, anytime I open it up, fall. Now that I am done decorating, I thought it would be fun just to show you guys some outfit ideas of what I normally love to wear during the fall time. I normally wear just like a lot of sweaters and a lot of leggings. I have a couple of different outfits that I am excited to wear this year for fall, so yeah. So I'm just gonna have some music go in the background and I'll just show y'all some of my outfit ideas. So I don't know about you, but drinking out of like a nice cute cup actually helps me drink my water for the day, and you're supposed to drink like 8 cups of water. This is actually 2 cups. So if I just drink 4 of these, then I'll have my max of water for the day. It's a glass cup, but then it also has like this cool little sleeve which helps with the sweating. Then it comes with 2 plastic straws, one that matches your little sleeve thing and then a clear one. And then it comes with like this cute little top that's like wood, and I don't know, it's just so cute and I love it. So I got it off of Amazon for just like $15. Having like a nice cute cup that is a little bit fallish definitely helps put me into the fall mood. Do any of you guys have like a fall playlist, things that y'all like to listen to, anything that kind of puts y'all in more of like the fall mood? Because I have been trying to find some songs, because if you know me, you know I love music. So I am like trying to figure out some songs that I can listen to help put me into the fall mood. So if you have any, please comment down below and let me know so that I could check it out. I would be ever so grateful to you guys. So thank you. That was just like totally random. I'm starting to get a little hungry, so I'm going to head upstairs and make myself a little snack. And this is actually gonna be like a healthy snack, and I will share the recipe with you guys. I did find this recipe on YouTube. Another YouTuber did it, so I will link her down below so y'all can watch that video, but I will also like show y'all the recipe so that you can follow along and make them for yourself. They are absolutely delicious, so I'm gonna go do that. Alright, well, I just finished my snack and now I'm just gonna go about the rest of my day, and I'm going to end the video here. I really hope that you enjoyed it, maybe give you some inspiration on decorating and getting ready for fall. I know I feel like I'm a lot more prepared for fall. Definitely try out that recipe. It is really, really good. Trust me, it tastes amazing, and it just makes you feel like you're eating healthy. Now you could minus out the chocolate chips and add coconut flakes, but I didn't have coconut flakes and I like my chocolate, so I kept that in there. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that you are safe and well, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye.